Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My idea for today is to get my gnomes ready for Memorial Day and for the 4th of July. The main supplies I will be using today are my gnomes. I have 3 gnomes here that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I will be using chalk paint. I have the color Imperial, Marlowe, White, Nautical, Ocean, Silver Lining, Steel, Ink, and I will be using my clear wax as my sealant. I will let you know if I need any additional supplies as I craft along. I'm going to paint my gnomes. I'm going to paint 2 of my gnomes red in the red color, which is of course Imperial, and then one of them is going to be blue. I'm going to put that one aside and go ahead and grab my paints here. I'm going to paint the robe part of his clothing in the red color here. I have painted the robe, and I'm going to paint this bottom part here where the robe might fall. Oops. And I'm going to do that to all the gnomes. Just paint the bottom part here. I want to paint the hat on the blue gnome. So I want to make the hat dark red. So what I did was I mixed the Imperial and the Marlowe. I just added a little bit of Marlowe at a time until I got the darkness I wanted. So this is what it looks like. See, it's still red, but it's a bit dark, on the darker shade. And let me paint this one. On the gnomes with the red robes, I'm going to paint the hats in white. Depending on how it looks, I may put 2 coats on there. I finished painting the hats, and I did put 2 coats of white on there. And now I'm going to paint the beard white. Just I'm going to cover the beard on all 3 gnomes. I'm going to add a couple more colors here. I have barely pink, which I'm going to use on their nose. And then I have hazelnut, and I think I will use that for their shoes. I'm going to paint the hands now. On the hands, I mixed the hazelnut and the pink. And this is what I got. Kind of like a, almost a flesh color. Let me see how this looks. If I don't like it, I can always paint it over. I'm going to paint the nose now. I'm going to paint the hats now. I want to do like red and blue stripes on here. So I have this paintbrush. I think I'm going to do the red stripes first. I am now going to add the blue stripes. For this one, I need a little wider brush, maybe like this one right here. I'm going to make the blue stripe just a bit wider. I want to put some dots on my blue stripes. Give it an impression of stars. Now, if you're very good at this, then you can actually put stars on here. If you like. But I'm just going to do dots. I'm going to do this one next. This one I want to put like stars on there, and I have a very tiny brush here. I'm going to attempt to make some stars. Let's see. On this last gnome, I want to put stars on the hat, but I want the stars just to be a little larger. And I'm going to use a darker red and just a regular red one, and then the darker blue and a lighter blue. The lighter blue is the ocean color. Darker color is just a regular nautical. This red one is Marlowe and Imperial mixed together. And then this is just Imperial. Okay, let's start with this here. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. I want to color in the beard now. I mean, it's just white right now, and that's just fine, but I want to give the beard a bit of a shade. So what I'm going to do is, I have a fan brush here, and I took my steel and, let's see, where's it? silver lining, and I globbed them together and I gave it a light stir, so you still got pockets of all the shades in there. And I'm gonna dip my brush in here and let's see how this goes, and give it a little streak. I don't know how well this is gonna turn out, but let's give it a try. Look at that. Not too bad. Give it a little shading. There we go. And then I'm just gonna do my touch-ups like right here, but I'll do that after I get all the beard. Let's see. Let me clean my brush real quick. I'm gonna only use half the brush. I think it'll be a lot easier to manage. Okay, that's a little better. Here are my completed gnomes. Look at this. Cute, right? They're just adorable. So here we go. Adorable. Now you can put these gnomes in your 3-tier tray. You can set them on the shelf. You can put them in a truck. All sorts of things. I like the way they turned out. I'm quite happy with them, and I hope that you like them too. I hope I was able to give you a few ideas today on how to paint your gnomes. Again, you can find these gnomes at the Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by to watch my idea for today. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.